Hey kids, are you ready for an escape room themed summer camp? You'll get your own virtual dashboard, and you'll work through guided escape room puzzles with your friends. Just click on the different artifacts to see if you can solve the mystery. Then, you'll log off and complete different hands-on challenges in art, cooking, and more. But be careful, the program is filled with hidden clues that point to the location of a missing treasure. Will you be the one to find it first? Good luck. We hope you'll join us.